AlphaCars in Boxborough, Massachusetts. We're in our beautiful showroom with about 2 feet of snow on the outside. In this short video, we're going to go over this amazing offering that we have. It's a 2011 E550 Coupe in stunning pearl white with amazing options, all the way from panorama roof, cooled and heated seats. But the best feature of this car is its condition. This was a one-owner car until about 7 months ago. We purchased it as a one-owner vehicle with impeccable, very thorough service history. Everything was done through the Mercedes dealership, and it was a one-owner car until about 7 months ago. We acquired it and we sold it to our local customer here who enjoyed it for only 7 months, but because it's a coupe and for the different driving needs, they have to get a different vehicle. So we have it back in our inventory and it is available. You can check it out on AlphaCars.com. The condition of this car is simply and very, very close to a new car vehicle. The rear bumper and pretty much all painted surfaces, we're gonna go over and just verify it and double check, but there are no chips, no dents, no scratches, basically no imperfections. The hood has no chips, and the pearl white is just a glorious color. The bottom edges of the bumper, everything is super clean. The underbody of the car, and I had a pleasure of seeing it on the lift, is just as clean. The windshield has no chips, and we're going to look at the interior of the car. And everything, even the seat bolsters, if you look at them, everything is in amazing condition. Of course, everything works, and we're going to take a peek at the engine compartment. Here we are. Yeah, it is, as I said, it's everything from the way that the aluminum looks is just incredibly original. Everything is very clean. It runs beautiful. We're going to hear it in just a moment. And look at the back seat arrangement. $16,295 miles. This coupe has an AMG styling, which starts from the aerodynamic AMG aerodynamic package. You can see the rear bumper, side skirts, and the front bumper, all AMG style. You can see HID, otherwise known as xenon lights, and a beautiful running, naturally aspirated Mercedes-Benz V8 engine, which is one of the best features of this car. LED lighting throughout. As you can see, it comes with 2 sets of floor mats in pristine condition, one for wet weather and one for dry weather. As you can see, it's all very original. Original spare, untouched, unused. Fold down back seats. You fold them right from here. As you can see, And you can fold the seat down this way. So you have a pass-through, the same thing on the other side. So you have a unique opportunity to own close to $65,000 automobile. This car was $64,900 and change estimated MSRP. It is close to new condition, and if it is still available, please check out our website and you'll be amazed at what kind of savings you can buy this car for from AlphaCars in Boxborough, Massachusetts. Thank you very much for viewing this video.